Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Remember back in Grammar 1.14.1, we learned how to talk about completed actions using 了。那个电影你看了吗? Did you see that movie? Sometimes we want to ask about people's past experiences. For example, have you ever seen that movie? In Chinese, we have a specific word that expresses have you ever, and that is 过. This 过 goes exactly where the 了 goes. 那个电影你看了吗 becomes 那个电影你看过吗? Exactly the same construction, except 过 expresses have you ever rather than did you. 那个电影你看过吗? Have you ever seen that movie? To answer the question, we can say 我看过那个电影 I have seen that movie. 我看过那个电影 Another example, they have come to my home before. 他们来过我家 I've been to China. 我去过中国 To put it in the negative, just add 没有 before the verb. 他们没有来过我家 They haven't been to my place. 他们没有来过我家 This is different from 了 because to negate the 了 sentence, you need to drop the 了. But to negate a 过 sentence, you must keep the 过. 他们没有来过我家 Or simply drop the 有 and just say 他们没来过我家他们没来过我家我没有看过那个电影 I haven't seen that movie. 我没有看过那个电影 Or 我没看过那个电影我没看过那个电影 Going back to the example, 他们来过你家 To ask a question, we add 吗 at the end. 他们来过你家吗? Have they ever come to your home before? 他们来过你家吗? Or with 没有他们来过你家没有? Have they come to your home before? 他们来过你家没有? Another example, 你看过那个电影没有? Have you seen that movie before? 你看过那个电影没有? Let me ask if Ken has seen the movie Big Eyes.
John, 听说大眼睛这个电影很有意思，你看过没有？
看过，非常好看。
Ken 说什么？看过，非常好看。Yes, I've seen it, and it was very good. 看过，非常好看。你去过中国没有？ Have you been to China before? 你去过中国没有？你在这个商店买过东西没有？ Have you bought anything from this store before? 你在这个商店买过东西没有 Yes, I have. 买过 That's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 14, Notes 1.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.